Hi guys, it's injury attorney Ann Fong, and this is what you need to know. Today we're going to talk about Medi-Cal recipients who are involved in an auto accident. So first of all, it is a statutory law that if you are a Medi-Cal recipient and you get injured in an auto accident, then we have to reimburse Medi-Cal. And they have what's called a statutory lien. So let's say you get in an accident, the ambulance comes and you have to go in the hospital and you stay there and you do follow-ups and you need physical therapy after. All of that will be paid and covered by your Medi-Cal. However, Medi-Cal is then going to assert what's called a lien on your injury case. So if the person that hit you caused the accident, they will now be able to assert their lien and get reimbursed for all their services. And so this is very important to understand. When you're involved in an auto accident, you have to give the insurance adjuster or your attorney your Medi-Cal number so that they can take care of this medical lien and make sure the bill is paid. Otherwise, you're responsible for it. And so the other important part to know about Medi-Cal and how it works is, well, obviously it's governed by the state of California, and they have specific requirements as to how they protect their lien and also how long it takes to receive their lien. Their lien is just the makeup of all the services that were provided and the cost. And so it takes a lot of time to gather these liens and gather all those services. It normally takes us anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks from your last date of treatment. Okay, 4 to 6 months from your last date of treatment. Okay, so let's say you get in an accident in January, and let's say you see the doctor, you follow up and June comes. Well, you can't even get the final Medi-Cal lien until your last date of treatment in June. So in June, we submit the request for your final Medi-Cal lien. Guess what? We're not going to get it back until November or December, okay? And that's why the people who have claims and they have Medi-Cal as their insurance carrier, their claims take so much longer to close, and there's nothing we can do about it. That's just what the Medi-Cal standards are, and that's how long it takes to get their lien. And there's no way around it. There's no loophole, no other attorney. There's just no special way around it. So just people out there who have Medi-Cal, if you're involved in an auto accident, you have an attorney, or you're trying to deal with it, just know that it takes extra longer for you to resolve the claim, for your attorney to resolve the claim. So be a little bit more patient, okay? Thank you.